Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 128 of Building Your Own DeLorean, or Building Your Own DeLorean Plutonium Case, as is the case at the moment. We are indeed continuing the plutonium case that we started last time. We're dealing with the bottom half of it this time, putting the handles on there and the catches. That's about it. Putting the handles on each side and the catches on the front. Then next time we'll be assembling it completely. Looking at the 30th anniversary, continuing interviews and chat shows and stuff. All good things to read about if you like that. Our screenings and things. The ice on the DeLorean. What's that about? Too cold to hold. After its first trip through time, the DeLorean returns covered in ice. I'm not sure why, and they didn't do it again, but see, things got better. Next time, we are putting the what's this plutonium case. We've got the inset for it and putting it together basically. So let's get the base built, and then we'll come back next time and do the rest of it. Yep, here we go. Last time we put the handle on the top and put the catches on the front, and this time we've got the other half of it. It's going to go together like so. It looks nice. I like that. I do like it. It might be an optional sort of extra sort of thing, but I do quite like it. So we've got more handles and catches to put on there. I'll do some, and then we'll go on from there, and we'll see just how difficult it is to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 6 out there for some reason. Let's get 8 out, because I'm sure we're going to be using 8 of these. There'll be 4 for each of that, and that the other screws for those. So let's put these on exactly the same way we put that one on the front, on the roof, on the top. We'll put that in there that way round, and that will go on there just like so. And one of these screws will go in there. Come on, let's get it right. It won't be difficult. Just like that, and just like that, and try that again. Get the screw in the right place on the screwdriver. One in there very gently. Gently. Not working. Even though I'm going very gently, it's still not working. Just didn't get it lined up quite right again. Let's try holding the screwdriver right down there. Might work. It might not, but you never know. Feels like it's going in, but it isn't. I think it's the real trouble. Come on, you know you want to. Oh, I might have had it. I might have it. No, it's going in at a funny angle. Let's try correcting the funny angle and see what happens. Yeah, there we go. That's going in there. So that one goes in there with the other 3 screws that I will do momentarily. The other bit that we've got to fit on today involves longer screws and these catches. So this has got the little catch piece that's going to catch against the other thing, and that goes on there that way round. And we've just got the 2 screws to hold that in place. Where's my screw? I had my screw a minute ago. There it is. Let's try that. Through the plastic bit into the other plastic bit. That's much easier than doing the other thing. So yeah, that's going to go on there like so. That'll do the job on it, because then that's going to catch against there. And that's going to be it. You're not actually going to be able to open it. How are you going to open it? Pull it or push it or do something. Maybe you can just pull it harder. I'm not sure. I'm sure that will come to us in time. Let me get the rest of it built up, and then we'll have a look at it finished. So there you have it, the 2 catches on the front and the 2 handles on the sides. and the lid will go on just like so. Nice. I like it. I like it quite a lot. Next up, I think we're going to be putting the hinge on the back and starting off the inside. But it really doesn't want to open. I'm not sure if that's not right. It will clip shut, but won't really open without, I don't know, pulling on it. I'm not entirely certain that opening it's going to be a viable option. But for now, we don't need to worry about that. That's that for now. I'll put it to one side. Until next time, when I shall see you for that. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.